Hello, and welcome. Now, there is a strategy to being able to collaborate with the documents that you upload as notes into your notebook. And you want to encourage other members of the team to do the same thing. And there are two things in particular that you want to do. Number one is you want to make sure that each individual idea or action is actually placed inside of a note. So you want to avoid placing multiple items inside of a note. If you have something, you want to name it separately and create a new note for it. The second one is to actually create a table of contents. And the way that you're going to do that is you're going to need to use the desktop app to complete this. Now you'll notice that we are inside of our notes view, inside of the notebook that we are working in. If you don't see this view, you are going to need to go to the View command and you're going to need to open up the Note panel and the Note list. And then you'll see the notes that are associated with the shared notebook. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to click the first, the second and Control, and the third, and you're going to see them all highlighted in blue. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click Create a Table of Contents Note. And what that will do is that will actually give someone the quick links to being able to find the information inside of your notebook. Now you'll want to make sure that either yourself or someone is assigned to do this on a routine basis as content is being uploaded to the notebook. This will keep your collaboration easier within each notebook. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.